How to delete products on Ecwid. Hi guys, welcome to this Ecwid tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can delete products on Ecwid. So, how do you delete products? The first thing to do is to open your web browser and then log in into your Ecwid account. Once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the dashboard automatically. On this dashboard, you would see so many things. You'll see what you need to do. You'll see upgrade option by the top right corner of the screen. This is if you're using the free version of Ecwid. If not, you won't be seeing this upgrade option. And then you'll see the get help option as well as your profile icon. And then by the left side of the screen, you will see a menu displaying so many options such as the dashboard, my sales, catalog, marketing, reports, overview, website, etc. So on this menu, ensure you select catalog. Once selected catalog, your menu will be displayed underneath catalog, showcasing products, categories, gift cards, data import and export. All right, ensure you are on the products page. That is our focus in this tutorial. So once you're on the products page, you'll see all of your products here. All of your products will be displayed. All right, and then the next thing for you to do in this tutorial is to select the product that you want to delete. Okay, so once you selected the product, you will see a menu or an arrow next to the edit product option. Click on the arrow, and once you click on the arrow, a box will be displayed. In the box displayed, you'll see some options such as the edit options, edit attributes, add images, upload files, define shipping and pickup, duplicate product, and then delete product. Okay, you can just click on delete product, and then you'll be asked, a window will pop up asking you if you're sure that you want to delete the product. Click yes, and then the product will be deleted automatically. It is that simple, right? So this is how you can delete products on Ecwid. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.